At the start of 2021, who replaced Jeff Bezos as the world's richest person on the planet Earth? At the start of 2021, who replaced Jeff Bezos as the world's richest person? Now I'll give you 4 options and you try to guess which one from these 4 options that you think is the correct answer for the question, and here is the list of the option. The first option is Bill Gates from Microsoft. Second option is Elon Musk from Tesla company. The third option is Warren Buffett, you know, that guy with lots of investment and things like that. And the last option is Alice Walton. So from these 4 options, what do you think? Which one is the correct answer for the question? And now let me tell you what is the answer for the question, and the correct answer for the question is Elon Musk. So that's the answer for the question, Elon Musk. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click this subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friends, just go ahead, click this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment. Say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye.